Alright guys, so we come to the second part, which is the actual boosting of itself, and you can see our supply tank, alright, which is hooked up, and the supply inlet hose. And we have three different sizes of cylinders on the fixed outlet, which is a 2 liter, a 3 liter, and a 5.5 liter tank. Alright, all the isolation valves are turned off. You do not leave them on unless you want to boost right away. Alright, we will turn on and equalize everything. This is on the off position at this point. This has been set, I will explain this later, to automatically shut down at about 230 bar. Alright, your speed control for boosting is here. The master switch to turn all the first isolation on. This is to purge your gas when you shut down and you need to remove. Alright, and then your inlet gas pressure, which is not turned on yet, and I'm going to turn it on now to show you. So as I turn on, you can see, okay, now this gas inlet balancing is off, so the pressure is not reaching this yet. Alright, if I turn this on, alright, now the pressure is already here waiting to get into the tank, and if I turn this on, for example, this is on, nothing comes in yet until I turn this on. You can hear the pressure going down, and right now this 2 liter tank is equalized, and we're just going to boost this particular one. Alright, our drive gas cylinder is turned on. Alright, and on this side you have 2 more outlets which we hooked on to the bigger cylinders. As you can see, the 11 liter and a twin tank, also 11 liters, and hooked on to the quick release. Alright, quick disconnect. It looks like this. There are 3 outlets here, and of course 3 hoses. Okay, now the master has been obviously turned on. The equalizing is turned on as well. Alright, now we're going to turn this on. Okay, if this pops back up, that means your switch is too low. The pressure setting is too low, so it doesn't turn on because it's auto cut. Right now this is set at 230 bar. When your outlet reaches 230 bar, this will pop in the off position and it auto stops. Okay, so now we're turning on the speed of the boosting. Remember, depending on the number of cylinders that you're using, we want to have it as slow as possible, especially with oxygen. And if you're boosting a 2 liter tank, it needs to go really slow, guys. Or if you are at the normal speed, about 1 stroke every 2 seconds, then you should be opening up all the cylinders and charge everything, so the volume of boosting is actually a little bit less. Alright, so we are alright, so it's being boosted now. This is your outlet. So the outlet will start to creep up. It's just a 2 liter tank, remember. It will go up pretty quick. Your supply is right here at 190. It's already gone to 220. It's about 1 stroke for every 5 seconds at this point to keep things nice and slow. And you can see that it will auto jump to shut when it reaches 230 plus bar. Okay, we are already at 230 and it shuts. Okay, so if you want to make it stop at 250 or 300, you can adjust this accordingly. At this point, it sits at approximately 230, just 235, which is about comfortable for the usual boosting. Okay.